how to detach without losing yourself. What hurts the most? Realizing that you gave people so much love, so much attention, and so much understanding, and then they still treated you like you were easy to lose. And after a while, you start blaming yourself. You think maybe you are too emotional, or you are too kind and too much available for them and too much attached. But the truth is, people don't value always available to them, and that's why today we are talking about detachment, and not a toxic detachment, not pretending when you don't care, not becoming cold. I'm talking about the emotional discipline, the kind that protects your peace, the kind that make you people realize your presence is privilege, not a guarantee. Because when you master in detachment, everything gonna change, completely change, and the way you people treat you changes, and the way you see yourself changes, even your confidence changes actually, and suddenly you stop begging for the bare minimum. People stop respecting you. A lot of people lose respect for themselves without even noticing. It starts small. You ignore disrespect because you don't want conflict. You keep forgiving people who keep hurting you, and continuously explain yourself because you are scared of being misunderstood. And slowly people learn that they are cross your boundaries and still keep access to you. And that's the dangerous part. When someone know they can disrespect you and you still stay, and stop valuing your presence, because human nature work like this. People appreciate what you feel valuable, and valuable things are protected. And think about it, when someone truly feels losing you, they move differently, they keep different, they speak differently, they treat you very carefully. But when they think she will always come back anyway, she will always forgive me anyway, she will stay no matter anyway, that's when disrespect start. And honestly, some of you are avoiding yourself just to avoid being avoided by others. Read that again, Mala means read that again. Some of you are avoiding yourself just to avoid being avoided by others. So you are tolerating behavior that secretly destroy your confidence, and just because you're afraid of let people go. And attachment without self-respect, I think, self-destructions. What detachment actually means? People think detachment means not caring. That's wrong. Detachment means I care about you, what not more than I care about myself. And that's the difference. A detached people still love deeply and feel emotions and still soft heart, but real, but they don't want to lose themselves trying to keep others people. They don't beg, they don't chase, they don't force, because you are understand something powerful, and what is truly meant for you doesn't need to require you to destroy your peace and keep it. And let me be the honest, a lot of people emotionally addicted to the people, not in love, but addicted to attention, addicted to validation, addicted to checking notification, addicted to being waiting for someone choosing you. And that's not love, that's emotionally dependency. Real detachment being when stop making people the center of your happiness. The moment you happiness depend on someone else's behavior, and you lose your power. Habit that make people respect you. If you want respect, stop over explaining yourself to other. Confident people don't write paragraph, try to prove they deserve basic decency. Learn to say, I don't like that, I crossed my boundaries, I live in this situation, and that's the actually leave. because boundary without consequence are just suggestion. Another thing, stopping available for than 24 hours. You don't need to answer immediately. You don't need to drop everything for people who barely give priority to you. The more accessible you are, the easier people think you are to be replaced. Mark my word. So, and I know some of you are scared of being stopped trying too hard. People will leave, but listen carefully. The people who only stay when you are overgiving are not loyal to you. They're loyal to the benefits of accessing you. Big difference. Respect also come from silence. Not every situation need a reaction. Not every insult deserve your energy. And lot of misunderstanding need a long of explanation. Some the stronger response is the sometimes the strongest response is emotional control. Calm people are powerful people. Glow up after detachment. You know what happens when you finally detach? Your energy change. You stop looking desperate. You stop looking actually emotional exhausted. You stop shrinking yourself for expectations. So suddenly people feel your absence, not because you become mean, but because you stopped overextending yourself. Start focusing on your goals, your routine, your confidence, and your future. And honestly, nothing is more attractive than someone who value themselves deeply, because self-respect has an aura. People can feel when you no longer tolerate nonsense, seriously nonsense. And the funniest part of the same people who ignored your worth before and suddenly notice you when you stop chasing them. And that's why the detachment is powerful. And it's removed disrespect from your energy. So the final message was there. At the end of the day, you cannot force people to respect you, but you can teach people how to treat you by what you can tolerate. And if you keep expecting disrespect, mixed signals, inconsistency, and emotional manipulation, people are assume you are okay with it. So choose yourself, not the selfish way, in a healthy way. Protect your peace, protect your standards, protect your energy, because once you realize your value of stop being people of see it too. And the trust me, the moment you detach from needing validation, you become unstoppable.